Hi everybody, it's 11:31 and 38 seconds on August 30th. This is the drawing for the Captain Marvel 25, which is the second Thanos. I believe it's also the first Thanos saga, and Captain Marvel number 26, which is the first Thanos on the cover. Over here on the left hand side are these 6 filled spots. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 15, 555, the number of the book. Alright, so away we go. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 15th roll. We'll get both books. I'll try to get them out today. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here's the final one. 15, spot 3, Frank Digi, congratulations. Time is 11:32 and 37